how to back up your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accounts and backups. So you will see accounts and backup is here, so click on accounts and backup. Now here, so click on backup data. So after click on backup data, you will see home screen is here. So if you want to backup home screen, so turn off this button and turn on home screen button. So after turn on home screen button and click on backup now. So after click on backup now, you will see home screen is backup now. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can backup home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.